How many of you have heard of the concept buy low and sell high? This concept is mainly used in the stock market and other businesses where the traders want to buy an item at a low price and sell it at a higher price. A renewable energy production incentive known as feed-in tariff is just that. You, as a renewable energy producer, will have the incentive to buy electricity at a lower price from the power company and sell your excess electricity back to the power company at a higher price, resulting in a guaranteed profit for you. Do you think you'd be interested in a deal like that with your power company? I would be. Hi, my name is Mohidul Saad, co-founder of solarinstalleguru.com. I will show you in next 2.5 minutes how you can profit from selling your excess electricity to the power company at a higher price.
Saving money, let alone making money, is hard when you are dealing with your power company. They are in control and they raise electricity prices at whim. Not anymore. You have the power to change all that. You can even make a profit from your power company by buying the power at a low price and selling the excess at a premium price. Hold on for 2 minutes and you will learn how you can make money from your power company. There are many green producer incentives and feed-in tariff is one of them. This incentive guarantees a fixed price for the excess electricity your solar system sends over to the power company grid. The solar system generates electricity, and that electricity is used by your home while the excess electricity goes back to the power company grid. The feed-in tariff guarantees that the selling price of your excess electricity is higher than the buying price from your power company. If you are paying 13 cents per kilowatt hour to your power company for the electricity you use, you'll be paid more than the buying price for the electricity that you send over to the power company grid. How much more will depend on the state you live in and the contracts the states have made with the power company. Not all states have adopted this policy, and you might not have the opportunity to get paid for the excess electricity, but most of the states have some form of policy so that your power company will take your excess electricity and compensate you. The forms of compensation differ from state to state. If you do happen to live in a state where feed-in tariff has been adopted, you are going to profit from it. In some states, the power company will buy the electricity from you as much as 18 cents per kilowatt hour, while you are paying only 13 cents per kilowatt hour from the power company. The 5 cents per kilowatt hour savings might not sound that exciting, but consider the savings over 25 years or more for which your solar system might be operational.
If you want to save money and the environment, please visit solarinstalleguru.com and make an appointment for a free solar inspection today. You'll also find a lot of other solar-related money-saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to solarinstalleguru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook of $40 value for just visiting the site. The ebook titled 101 Ways to Install Solar System with Little or No Out-of-Pocket Cost covers in depth how you can save thousands of dollars, reduce greenhouse gases, and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses covering topics such as solar savings, solar impact on the environment, various solar rebates solar financing, and solar maintenance, to name a few. I would like you to join our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Follow us on Twitter at Solar INST Guru and like us on facebook.com/Solar INSTALL Guru. Thank you.